Guys, Delvina here. Today we are restoring this black beaded and embroidery dress. The beading and embroidery covers, I would have to say, about 75% of the dress itself. So as I was combing through and restoring, I did find that a lot of these little leaf shapes had a lot of loose embroidery threads. So I went ahead and clipped all the loose threading, and as I was doing that, I did find a few sections that did have large snags. So I was able to go ahead and use the original tails as they were long enough to basically pull through and reshape those leaf shapes. Once I was able to kind of test out a few, it was enough to basically kind of restore the shape. And really, by using the same threading, I was able to produce the same, kind of like the same results. Like I didn't have to worry about matching the thread. I didn't have to worry about matching the thread length or the sheen on the thread, as this is silk threading. I'm not quite sure what the weight was, but by really being able to use the original thread tails, I was able to go ahead and get that repaired. I am now moving off to the beading portion of the process. There was 2 or 3 sections that did have some missing beading. However, when I purchased this from the consignment shop, there was still the original tags that also had the little pouch of extra beading, and this saved me a lot of time from having to not only find matching beading, but maybe having to steal it from somewhere else to make this repair. So I was pretty lucky in regards to having a little pouch of extra beads. Um, and really, by the cat sitting on the dress, it really did not impede my progress. I'm really used to my helper kittens, and I'm only working on such a small section of the dress that she doesn't even care. um, Basically, other than tidying those 2 things up, all it was is just a really good soak. I let this sit for about a half an hour, hand washed, and then just hung to dry. Now that she is good as new, I do have to try it on just to see if there's any additional alterations, and I can report that she is good as new. I want to thank you for watching, and until then, take care. Yo!